Y esta noche no solo es una celebración del Día de la Independencia de México, sino una celebración de los deportes de combate en la historia de México.
Estoy muy feliz de estar aquí en UFC 306, el primer evento de MMA en The School. Ready, strong, confident. Let's put some action. Let's go.
Perfect. And media row, turn over here.
Thank you so much.
From the beginning of time, our world has been shaped by fighting. Hand-to-hand combat is the genesis of sport and heroes. But no culture embodies the fighting spirit more than Mexico. No place on earth has produced more legendary warriors. A heritage so ingrained in Mexico's identity. It's woven into the very fabric of the country. Only Mexico has a flag emblazoned with a fight. An eagle and a serpent. The eternal battle for the soul of a nation. This is the night we celebrate Mexico's independence and warrior spirit. This is the night the worlds of sports and entertainment come together. This is Noche UFC.
Years ago, under the crucible of the sun, our ancestors planted roots in the land we now know as Mexico. Our vast legacy begins with a small group of settlers and their spirit to fight for survival. From the first flame, they forged a great society.
Built temples, cities, and a civilization to rival any on Earth. But creation stories can lead to destruction. Fate has many authors. From the moment the conquistadores arrived, the age of indigenous empires was fading. But the story was not over. The first flame still burns. Their fighting spirit soars in the air all around us.
Yo sé lo que me costó a mí el trabajo llegar aquí. Varias veces tuve que desprenderme de mi familia, pero el hecho de poderles dar una vida mejor.
The link between our ancestors' spirit and the living world. On the Day of the Dead, altars invite our dearly departed to live again. With fire that evokes stories. With photos that stir memory.
Adds brushstrokes to our national portrait. This work in progress is unbound by frames. It reaches beyond museum walls. With every breath of freedom, we invoke our forefathers' battle cry for Mexico's independence. Every era was a fight. For survival, for domain, for freedom. Our ancestors embodied the warrior spirit in all its forms. Indigenous tribes clashing over territory. Insurgents rising up against colonial rule. Revolutionaries battling for justice. Our sporting heroes are among the greatest fighters the world has ever known. Chavez, Sanchez, Olivares. From ancient battlefields to modern-day arenas, this long line of warriors defines our people and inspires our way of life. We are all fighters.
Is the legacy of warriors. We survive by never giving up. We triumph by always moving forward. Our fighting spirit transcends combat sports. We rise above adversity and we fight for a better tomorrow. On the foundation of history, we build the great society of our ancestral dreams. Our journey across time leads us to this moment. The torch is now ours to carry. The flame is our beacon, guiding us through uncharted territory. We are Mexico's eternal warriors. We will never stop fighting for the future of our people.